Hello everyone, this is Robbie Randall over at Intuit, and today I'm excited to share with you some new functionality that we've built into our data import tool for Intuit Link inside of ProConnect Tax Online. Now if you're not aware already, data import is one of our most beloved features inside of ProConnect Tax Online. Using the Intuit Link tool to upload your client's documents, there are over 7 forms that we can then take the information from and there are over 7 forms that we can take the information from and then populate it inside of a tax return. Those forms include 1099s, W-2s, and more. Now, what I'm going to show you today is the ability to change the document type. What this will do is it'll allow you to import that data into the tax return. There are scenarios where your client may upload a form, it's not recognized. You can then go in, change the designation to what you need it to be, and at that point it would trigger the ability to import the data. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're talking about here. One quick pro tip. I'm on the Intuit Link dashboard. If you're working inside the Intuit Link dashboard, let me click on my customer here. And you're going to notice the drawer slide out. One quick verification that you can do is you see here under document checklist over on the right, I've got 2 out of 2 documents. What that means is I've got 2 out of 2 documents uploaded that I've requested. You see here I've got a W-2 from the Rebel Alliance, and then right below that I've got an image that wasn't recognized and it's just being categorized as other. Keep in mind, other documents are not going to import into the tax return, so this is one of those scenarios that I would want to manually change the document type. So let's talk about how to do that. So from the Intuit Link dashboard, I've verified that I have documents uploaded. You can also do that from the actual return. So when I'm inside of my client's 1040, you'll notice the drawer panel over on the right. I can just open it up by clicking on it. And then it's the same type of methodology, same type of logic. All I would need to do at that point is look under documents, and you see I've got the W-2 uploaded and also an image file. Now, if I'm not sure what the image is, all I need to do is click on it, and it's going to show me that this is actually a JPEG of a Velociraptor-free workplace. Not sure how that got in there. In that situation, though, if it was a W-2, what I would want to do is come to this document type and then change it to W-2. Because it's a JPEG of a Velociraptor, I'm just going to leave that as other and just leave it as it is. Now, from here, as you know, I can also import documents like the W-2. So what I can do is right here under W-2, click import. And what the system's going to do for me is open up a copy of the W-2 in the left-hand window. And then I get the ability to add that W-2 to the tax return. So at this point, I'm selecting the type of W-2. I do get an opportunity to review the data. Just want to make sure the numbers are right, make sure it all transposed correctly. And then on the bottom right, just click Save. At that point, it's going to bring the data into the tax return itself. So let me go ahead and come down here and click on W-2. There's income. Scroll to the top of income, and there's the W-2. And here we go. Here's that data for Boeing. Now you'll notice one other key feature. Any imported data, the fields are marked green. That's to visually alert you to the fact that, hey, this is an import. Hopefully you're enjoying the data import feature. We've got more to come on that very soon. In the meantime, you now have the ability to change the document type, which in some cases would help you trigger the import feature. Have a great tax season. Thank you.